Welcome the our channel. Today we how to start designing with Canva quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. Here, you can select from various design types, like social media posts, presentations, and flyers. To start a new project, click on the Create a Design button at the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying recommended options and a search bar. If you have a specific design in mind, type it into the search bar. After selecting a design type, a new canvas will open. On the left side, you'll find various tools, including templates, elements, and text options. Browse through the templates to find one that suits your project. Click on a template to apply it to your canvas. You can customize the template by clicking on any text or image. To change the text, simply click on it and type your own content. To adjust the font style, size, and color, use the formatting options in the top menu. If you want to add new elements, click on the Elements tab to explore shapes, icons, and illustrations. Dragging and dropping elements onto your design is easy. They can also be resized and rearranged. To insert additional text, click on the Text tab on the left. Choose from preset styles or create a text box by selecting Add a heading, Add a subheading, or Add body text. For images, click the Photos tab and search for relevant images. You can upload your own images by clicking the Uploads tab on the left side. After uploading, simply drag your images onto the canvas. If you want to change the background, click on the background area and choose a color or pattern from the left side menu. To download your finished design, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Click Download again to save the file to your device. Your design is now ready to use, and you can share it with others. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.